periodic table? What is the periodic table? A table of the chemical elements arranged in order of the atomic number, usually in rows, so that elements with similar atomic structure appear in vertical columns.
Periodic groups. A group is a column of elements in the periodic table of the chemical elements. There are 18 numbered groups in the periodic table, but the F block columns are not numbered. The elements in a group have similar physical or chemical characteristics, as most chemical properties are dominated by the amount of valence electrons.
Alkali metals. One valence electron, largest atomic radii of the elements, lowest ionization energies, high reactivities, and react readily with nonmetals, particularly halogens.
Alkaline metals. Two valence electrons, low electron affinities, and low electron negativities.
Transition metals, D block and F block. Low ionization energies, very hard, high electroconductivity, and malleable.
Halogens, 7 valence electrons, group 17, and the most reactive group.
Noble gases, no valence electrons, all gases, and group 18.
Where did the periodic table come from? The periodic table is a result of centuries of scientific refinement and discovery. It is a result of many changes to its design and purpose.
Discovery of elements. The history of the periodic table not only depicts how it was created, but also how elements were discovered. After each new discovery, an edit had to be made of the current organizational method to accommodate it.
The alchemist stone. Medieval alchemists created many elements in their labs, most of which had never been created in a lab before, and played a large role in the subsequent table's formation.
Dmitri Mendeleev, built upon the discoveries of Lavoisier and John Newland's incorporated newly discoveries of the elements, became the basis for the modern periodic table.
Mendeleev's table. Applications. The main reason we needed a periodic table was so that we could have a functional representation of all the elements and attractive founding of the elements. It is also vital because it allows us to see how elements are related and their subsequent properties.
Why do we use the periodic table? The periodic table allows people to see the elements we know in an organized pattern. This lets us see what elements react with each other and what properties each element will have.
Who uses the periodic table? Many occupations make use of the standard periodic table. Most hard science scientists, chemists, biologists, geologists, chemical engineers, students, nuclear testers, biochemical engineer.
And how to read the periodic table. The atomic number is located above the chemical symbol, and the chemical name is located below the symbol, followed by the standard atomic mass.